Today we're taking a look at our 2017 Ford F-250 SWR XLT 6.2 liter V8 Super Duty with the Super Boss. Let's go take a look inside. Enter the F-250. You get your power seat with lumbar, as well as your back support is manual. You get your driver on your door panel, you get your power windows, locks, and mirrors, as well as power folding mirrors and power extending mirrors with the nice big towing mirrors you do get there. On the left hand side you get your light controls as well as your foot pedal leveling. Taking a look at the center, you do only get, this vehicle only has 39,000 kilometers on it. Super low for 2017. It's in an absolute amazing condition. Taking a look down, you have at the left hand side you have your cruise control settings, as well as your functional arrows to go through. Nice thing with Ford, they'll see the towing capacity. When you plug a trailer into the Ford and you set it up, the truck will remember that trailer and it'll set it up automatically for you. Super nice thing Ford did there. You'll see your off-road status, different trips, display modes. So you can pick what you want to look at while you're driving depending on if you're towing or not. On the right hand side you do have your multimedia controls, so you do have your volume rocker, your mode select, as well as seeking, and your voice recognition with answer and hang up, and also your mute button there. To the right of that you get your two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive high, and four-wheel drive low, and right below that you get your trailer braking also. Moving to the screen, you do get your Sirius XM radio stations, as well as AM, FM, your CD, as well as Bluetooth, USB, and auxiliary, as well you get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is very nice. On the home screen, you can connect your phone, and have different apps that you can download offline from Ford. You can put the vehicle into valet mode, different settings like that. Below that you have your multimedia controls for all that, as well as your climate control with your heated front seats here. Just under that you have your two USB ports with quite a bit of storage to put your phone that you can close up nice and sleekly. I thought this was really cool when I got in, just checking out. You have your two cup holders and a storage container, but you can slide this over and actually make 4 cup holders. Kind of cool idea, kind of thinking out of the box from Ford there. Into the glove or center compartment, you have a ton of space. You have like a foot of room down space and a little bit more than a foot of length wise, as well as a 12 volt down there. It's pretty dark, so probably can't see that. Moving up to the top of the roof, you have your light controls up here, as well as all your different auxiliaries, so you can turn them off, turn them on. If you have them set up for something, then you can definitely take advantage of those. Let's go take a look at the outside of the vehicle. Get your 20-inch GT beadlock alloy rims, this nice black and red color, as well as your Haida tires that are brand new. As we move our way to the back of the vehicle, you also get your nice shocks there. You can see the 6.2 liter Super Duty Boss heavy duty there with your side steps. This vehicle does have a lift kit in it. As we move to the back, you can see the rear parking sensors. As we open the rear, you get your box liner with your trailer hitch and your Tonneau Pro tonneau cover there. This vehicle does come factory with a remote start. You can hear the 6.2 V8 start up. Let's go take a look at the back seat. Back seat here, you do get a lot of storage space on your door panel. It's nice for the rear. You also can fold the seats up and get your a little bit extra storage down here, as well as you can take this off as well if you need even more storage there. So you can take this completely off, but if you want a little bit hidden storage, you can put it down there and close the tailgates. The back here, you have your 110 volt AC adapter with 2 USBs in the back, as well as a 12 volt here and your rear air vents. Nice thing about the Ford trucks, you have a ton of room in the back seat. The seats are all the way back right now. And as I fold this seat down, you can see how much legroom you do get. So you can fit 5 people very comfortably for longer road trips. It's not going to be uncomfortable for anyone, as the front seats have a ton of room as well. Thank you for watching this quick overview of our 2017 Ford F-250 XLT. If you guys have any more questions about this Ford F-250, please visit parkmazda.ca. At that time, you're able to take this vehicle for a drive. With a qualified test drive, you get a $25 Visa gift card. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Hope to see you guys soon.